is taking us through it. So now we have the exercise and no smoking. We know it's very difficult for one to quit smoking. How do you help somebody to quit smoking?
So how do you help somebody? When it comes to these addictions, there has to be a personal, willingness to change. Yeah. So first of all, if you are not willing to change, we really cannot, it will be very difficult. But once you are willing to change, then we can take you through a certain cycle to decide, are you really tired of this kind of lifestyle? What do you want to do? Then we take you through, the smoking itself contains two things. We have the nicotine and then the tar. So the nicotine is responsible for the addiction,
right?
And then the tar is responsible for eventually getting you into lung cancer. So depending on which level you have reached in the addiction, we may introduce things like nicotine gums, patches.
Yeah, we've seen the nicotine gums on the market.
Yes,
okay.
Those things to help you wean you off to such a time when you don't really need those ones again. So we have addiction units. There's actually one in Korle Bu. There's an addiction unit in Korle Bu if you come there and you are willing.
All right.
But they don't admit anybody who is not willing or doesn't have any accountability, relative or partner.
So even with alcohol addiction,
yes,
you have a facility?
We have a facility.
Okay.
Yes, for addiction, any kind of addiction. Maybe marijuana, alcohol, coke, anything.
You just there, must be willing
You must be willing to drop it. And you must come with an accountability person who will be watching over you.
Okay.
Because you can easily relapse. So that is why they have that.
How long can you now say that you are completely off?
With these kind of addictions, it's very difficult to actually say that because anytime
you can go back.
You can go back.
Wow.
Because you've been, yes. So they keep on engaging them. You need to engage in a setting, change your whole kind of lifestyle. Even sometimes your friends. Because those friends that you were doing that kind of thing with, you may have to do away with them and you may have to continue. Because the moment you go back to them, obviously you will go back.
Exactly. So you need to cut off your friends and everything.
Exactly.
Now let's talk about general insurance.